Let's make some mushroom tacos. And spreading taco stuff all over. What a mess. These mushroom tacos are amazing. They've got this hearty, savory, mushroomy filling, and you top them with this fresh, herbal, zesty chimichurri sauce. It is such an amazing flavor and texture combination, especially when you add some fresh veggies in for crunch. Start by cooking your mushrooms. Heat some oil over medium-high heat in a large skillet. Once the oil is hot, add onion and garlic and a good pinch of salt. The salt helps the onions release moisture and it helps them cook more quickly. Let those cook just until the onions start to turn translucent. Then add your mushrooms along with the rest of the salt and all of the spices. Let that cook, stirring occasionally until the mushrooms get tender. Just like with the onions, the salt helps the mushrooms release moisture, and they're going to release quite a bit of moisture during cooking. But if your pan does dry out, you can add a little splash of water to prevent sticking. While the onions and mushrooms are cooking, make your quick chimichurri sauce. Toss fresh parsley and fresh cilantro into your food processor along with all of the other chimichurri sauce ingredients. Then process that until you have an even, chunky mixture. You're kind of going for a pesto-like texture, and you may need to stop and scrape down the sides of your food processor a few times. This is a small chimichurri recipe, so larger food processors like mine might have a little trouble getting to everything, and scraping down the sides really helps with that. Once your mushrooms are nice and tender, it's taco time! Grab some warmed tortillas, pile on your mushroom mixture, then sprinkle some fresh veggies on top. I'm using shredded cabbage from a bag of tricolor coleslaw, but you can use shredded lettuce, you can shred up your own cabbage, you could do carrots, any crunchy veggies you like. Then top it off with plenty of that chimichurri sauce, and you're ready to serve. I like to dish these up with some refried beans on the side because these tacos are delicious and satisfying and veggie packed, but they're a little light on protein. If tacos aren't your jam, make this into a bowl meal. Put the mushrooms over some rice, add that chimichurri and some crunchy veggies on top, and dinner is ready. These tacos are just absolutely delicious. The tender mushrooms with all of that seasoning and the chimichurri just brings like a fresh flavor to the dish, and that little bit of shredded cabbage for crunch. Ugh, so good. You can make the filling for these tacos a day ahead and just warm it up when you're ready to serve. And you can make the chimichurri like way ahead. It keeps for like a week in the fridge. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these mushroom tacos. If you have any questions I didn't answer, drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!